Hello everyone, welcome back to my video, and today I'm doing a bike check on my Orange, so let's get into it. So, I'm running a large frame Orange Crush with some very nice black and blue decals. So up front, I'm running a RockShox sector with 150mm travel. I quite like it. I run it fairly hard, but it's a really reliable fork. For the wheel set, they are stock wheels, but they're Realm 3.0 wheels. They're fairly solid. And yeah, I quite like them. Moving on to the tyres, I'm running a Michelin Wild Enduro at 2.6 inch, and I really like it, really grippy tyre. Not too bad in snow either. Onto the front, I'm running a WTB Vigilante 2.6 inch again, and that seems really grippy, and yeah, really recommend it. Onto the drivetrain, I'm running a SRAM NX 11 speed group set. We're running a 32 tooth chainring and an 1142 cassette. Seems reliable. I have bent my derailleur, but the gears still work perfectly fine with a bit of tuning. So yeah, really reliable. Onto the brakes, I'm running Shimano MT400s with a 180mm disc, both front and rear. They're resin only discs, but they unfortunately don't perform that well in wet weather. But I have to say, in dry weather, they're absolutely fine. For the dropper, I'm running a Crankbirds Highline 170mm. It's a fairly good drop post, apart from the fact that it's sealed air and you can't add any air or anything into it, so yeah. So on the cockpit, I'm running some Core Durox 780mm bars. I'm running some nuke-proof Neutron grips. They're very nice and grippy in all weathers, and they have nice solid bar ends. So for the pedals, I've had clipless. These are just some standard sort of pedals. Some Shimano M424s. Really good pedal, really. Absolutely coated in snow. Still works fine. I hope you enjoyed me talking through my bike, and yeah, hope to see you in the next one.